Now you are in controlled portals. This test could take a very, very long time. If you become lightheaded from feel free to pass out. An Indian associate will be dispatched to revive you with Excel and adrenaline.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. Continuing this saga. I had comment on the microphone again. It's a problem, I know. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I only have a couple different things I can fiddle with, so it's really not. Anyway, here we go. Let's do this one quick and easy, right? Let's do a deal. No, I want to. Come on. Pick it up. Right. Through the hole. Go through the hole. Well, okay. Fine. Don't go through the hole. Go this way. Oh gosh, there we go. Yeah, okay. Now through the hole. And there we are now. This is interesting here. Look at this mess. Wow. Okay, we got slidey sleds, we got a cube, and we got some stuff. So, what do you say? Let's give this a whirl. Okay, first thing we got to do is get down here. Find out where this thing is. Where is the light? See that beam right there? Let's try that. See how close we get. Oops. Ooh, that was pretty close, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put the red one here. Move the blue one over just a shade. Try that. Look at that. Nice! Okay, I have a... let's see, how does this look? Let's see. That looks a little better. Oh! Yeah, okay. Take me over here. There we are. Nice, okay. You're done. Now let's see what I need to do with this cube thing. Alright. I believe we need to go up and do this. Here. And a here. And let's place that right there. Go back through. Jump. There we go. And now what do we got to do? Oh, interesting. There's only one cube. Okay, let's try something. Let's go here. I don't know what happens if we step on the cube. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Right? Smart, huh? Beauty.
As part of a previously mentioned required test protocol, we can no longer love you. When the test over, you will be
Okay. Oh my goodness. There we go.